2026 JAMB likely question. Let's look at the question together. An atom X has atomic number of 55. The atomic number of 55 and atomic mass of what? 133. The atomic number is 55, while the atomic mass, which is also the same thing as mass number, is given to be what? 133. The nucleus of X then has what? The nucleus, what are those two things that are present in the nucleus? What are present in the nucleus are what? The proton number and the neutron number. They are the ones that are present in the nucleus. So we don't need electron. We don't need electron. The only two things we have concern here is the proton number and the neutron number. Take note of this. I want to say now, proton number is also the same thing as atomic number. Take note of that. The atomic number, for example, what is atomic number of calcium? Calcium has atomic number of 20. So your proton number is 20. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? Hydrogen can be found as the first element, which is number 1. So that number 1, which is atomic number, is also called proton number. But now we are not looking at calcium and neither hydrogen. So for what we are considering, the name of the atom itself is not given. But we don't have issue with the name. We are only dealing with the protons and the neutron, because it is the proton and the neutron that are present in the nucleus. Take note of that. So now there's a formula you need to know. Mass number. Your mass number is equals to what? Your mass number is equals to proton plus neutron. Your proton plus neutron. This proton and neutron, they are the one that contributes to the weight of an element. So they are the one present in the nucleus. That is the mass. They are the one present in the nucleus. Okay. So our proton, take note that our proton is also the same thing as atomic number. So we have gotten our proton to be this, which is 55. So let me write it under 55. Now, what is our neutron? We don't know our neutron, but we know the mass number to be 133. So the mass number is 133, okay, plus n. So what we're actually looking for is what? Is n, which is the neutron what? Number. So to get n now, this one we have to cross with the other side, which will be 133 minus 55. So 133 minus 55 will give us 78. So our n now will be what? Our n equals to 78. That is, our neutron is equals to 78. Now look at these options. They are very similar. If you are not very careful, you can get it wrong. A says 55 proton is correct, but 78 electron is wrong. It's wrong. Let me even tell you what electron is. Electron, if the atom does not carry any charges, for example, whether it lose, it give out electron or accept electron, as far as it does not carry any charges here, whether positive or negative, if it does not carry any charges, if it's a neutral, and it's just a neutral atom, so if it's just neutral and it does not carry any charges, whether negative or positive, your atomic number is equal to proton number, and proton number will be equal to electron number. That is, your proton number is also the same thing as electron number if it does not carry what? Charges. But if it carries charges, probably it lose electron or gain electron. Your proton number is not equal to your electron number. So we don't have any issue with electron number in this aspect. We only have concern with protons and neutrons, because electron is not present in the nucleus, so automatically cancelled. This one, electron is not present, so it has automatically cancelled. So our correct answer should be between C, option C, and option D. So we know that our proton number is given to be 55. You can see that option C is wrong. Our proton number is not 78. So option C is already wrong. So proton number is 55, which is correct. And neutron number is given to be what? 78, which we calculated here. Okay? So the correct answer here is option D. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider to share with your friends, like, and comment. See you in my next video. Thank you.